Edabusia eto ato barakase. The camp of the NDC, there's a serious confusion in the party. Now NDC journalist back one is the communicator GhKoose already some serious accusations against John Mahama. Say in fact, Oba Ghana had no more. Nipa o chatro president and no kura bi ni nanumwa or say John Mahama. And be was ka kwan kwaku anum. Me boni video mo tie no a kire wadwe ama me. E wo comment section. I PENYAH block media. Best right say ni dey mo. Obe like video no that my subscribe button and by click notification connect latest update and by kire wadwe da ma me e wo comment section. Oba so a no share for PENYAH be asho. You know, on say ya 24 elections ni mo no. Any for me ya di bia di gubamu ani wase. E ma owo frɛ ba omia ba o liar. Just say Omo making so many posts on the internet saying say PENYAH is the most lying person ever born, the most liar ever created. Emma, that no, the various algorithm of social media, any search engine, application is all searching on the internet here. Say why any the most lying manner? The internet everybody say PENYAH because of how and for making post tagging PENYAH as the man of lies. Just omo ye bibia de gobamia di hu fi de gunanimu ase say ba omia what I say but NDC for share bo bebrebe in opposition ye nto aba ma obno ba omeya ade we but ohwe niema bo hye omo share Ghana fo ene de omo aban mu omo ya na se enye no kre de bo hye omo share nyina ye tro na eno ana GhKoose wo ye NDC ni wo hwe di no ase na NDC for kwade asem ni engineer me say me compare pa between Mahama and Baumia ne ka say me GhKoose am ye this ni me choose baako a nipa me ka say wo ye otrofo aye John Mahama ebusan GhKoose abekasa ye ngotie
sa asem we na me pese meka but meka na NDC government no approve me wrong say ne meka ne ye ntoro. Se wo di NDC government si ho. O di President John Mahama si ho. Wo di NPP party ni si ho. E di Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia si ho. Me ye kasi yintwusu obi o twa ntoro. Me ka say ye NDC government no. Any President John Mahama. Yes. And I will give you the reason why. So what the NDC party, any President John Mahama si ho. What the NPP party, any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia si ho. Now wo catch them say min choose baako obi o twa ntoro pa awu asase we so. Me NDC ni me come in same stia. Make say NDC party no any President John Mahama wo mo ya atrofo wo mo twa ntoro a enya asem ketowa. And I will give you the reason why you won't chantro. Emre na Akufo-Addo ni MPP any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia power no. Wo mo ka kire Ghana fo se moto aba ema me na Akufo-Addo any me vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na me baba ye Ghana omampahini a me make sure se ma ye free CHS dia mu bia. Ana Ghana fo to aba Edema MPP government. Edema Nana Akufo-Addo. Ampa Nana Akufo-Addo ba ye no. Nana Akufo-Addo betena so no. Ofofele ye. O magana fu huni se eyampa. Talking do. O kan o ye. For no tonchen. Aye President John Mahama ni campaign time. Ano ka kire Ghana for say se Ghana for to abama ono President John Mahama or the 24 hours economy policy beba na nipa biele benya adwuma ni bia ye e na Ghana for gina so de to abade man ayi President John Mahama up to now 24 hours economy ni ye hu ye up to now ba me na na Akufo-Addo share Ghana for obo no oba power no within 1 year na free CHS na waye. Inti se wonya torofo se won DCV Ghana fo won twan toro nkyere Ghana fo endi power dia na me wo pese me gi wudi se NDC government in twan toro President John Mahama in twan toro dia adi se 24 hours economy no waye So nye pa dia the word eltro na eda mitirimu no. Enfiri mitirimu da na mawu because se me soma me ba na me se me soma me ba na me ma me ba sika se gina fata ade ma me. Insesa na ebeka ne fa na oje na okoto na de ba na manfa nsesa na ama no na me sa so gin nsesa ni firi ni nsemu a me ba no ede na me de ato ni tirim me ba ni ntimi njimi ngi biemu da na wawu because obehum say me yotrofo eye the same crash NDC government policy amuma Ghana 40 ase ne 24 hours economy policy up to now ye who 24 hours economy no sa akwa NDC fokotokum sa akwa hwan fokotokum up to now ye who nimpa watam 24 hours economy policy na che ni kotokum ye ahwehwe we NDC fokotokum ye who 24 hours economy policy ye who to pese me jiwudi o pese Ghana for jiwudi dia make sure say 24 hours economy no wale onye pa dia NDC muhum ye baako si sister enye kwasasem sister enye kwasasem emenema wo NDC government open power e wo Ghana for ho ena wo ba begina Ghana for anim say Ghana for nto abama wo na Ghana for to abama wa what the policy be beba policy in your friend 24 hours economy policy Ghana adwuma baako nipa miensa betimi aye den ebetimi aye ye be run shift inti Ghana for ento abama wo na wo NDC government umbra power ena Ghana for ahwe policy na ekita wo na huni say policy na ekita wo NDC government no eye good policy ebetimi abo man Ghana ena wo ma agina so ahwe so de ato aba ade ama wo NDC ena waba power wo ba power sa policy na wankasa wo de bae no wo gya ya to ho ye who policy no se ma president John Mahama atam policy no ade ase ni kotokum on pese obeyi di ama Ghana for their minim ye bisa 24 hours economy policy na NDC yemo NDC for ye say Ghana for e bisa 24 hours economy project na policy na yemo NDC for ye say ye research Ghana the word research ni jamo yemo NDC for ye nti ase wahu the word researching Ghana no yemo NDC for particular no ye nti sa word na say because one team can tell me say who ye road who build these schools who build the hospitals now what friend research or research Ghana now such schools new road now what building now who friend say who research Ghana no MPP so be build bi MPP ebe build bi enti sanka ye ka obi a on research Ghana na nka NDC ko on research Ghana nka ye MPP no research Ghana because MPP ba power no na ba tan ni sika wo mo di wo mo mako school MPP ba research Ghana e ka kire Ghana fo hia say okay fine wo ye ba tan na wo ni sika wo de wo ba beko school a masi school di asi ho amani wo school dida nti make sure say wo ba no akọ school okọ school a me ni school fees eye free ene osaso di another research agenda baaye ebeka kire Ghana for say okay wo di wo ba no ko school wi a ebia wo ni sika wo de be ma wo ba no na wo di atọ dani adi na wonya hoden di aba school nti sesa na ete dia mesa so ma wo moduane free ni awo ba atan wo be ye ne se wo be make sure say wo ba na nante afiri fie di aba school ho ombre school free o medidi free ene na ye fa ne resetting Ghana ene na ye fa ne te say wa resetting Ghana education you bet me you see sa word ne di ama MPP policy no because wa resetting Ghana ba wonti me nkan kire me say NDC for school a MPP for so asibi NDC for aye kwan a MPP for so aye bi NDC for hospitals a MPP for so asibi wonti me you see sa word ne say you are resetting Ghana it's wrong 74% that word resetting ebe mudia. Womu make sure say womu kwa brochia wo ye worker ye tua woka in hour nti hours a wo beye no ene ye be hwehwe die tua woka nti wo pe NDC 4% resetting agenda no resetting word no e reflect womu nsemu dia womu make sure say sa law na e wo ho no womu fambra Ghana ha na abanin hye Ghana ni bia say okay afie de obe employ Ghana ni a yentua ne ka in hours yentua ne ka in hour bansa na sa police ni bebam no abani make sure say abaya djuma biala ewo Ghana ha biala wa ba price a law no wo ye adwuma wana wa be ye betua oka nti ye wo be hwe wa ho odin any hours wo betimi aye wo the sample police we ba na private sectors ne so ahwe so ade aye wo mo de sete wo ye wo mu nsisi Ghana for because and now make us say obi betimi aye adwuma from 6 to 6 a month ni akwa pay 1,000 to the amano eye nsisie nti wo person that resetting word no e reflect it to government dia make sure say sa police we wo be apply e wo Ghana wotimi apply na wo hye e ma sa ade we ye adwuma eno na obetimi afra ne resetting Ghana what I say and you know betimi use that English word resetting because what you be before fraba MPP for ni ho idea to say MPP for the free SHS buy na NDC for ni ho idea no the same price to NDC it is NDC 4% sa word resetting ye adwuma dia wo mu make sure so wo mu di bibi for fra aba sa de na wo mu di aba ne unique and then obetimi afra ne resetting Ghana. But we see school MPPSB, we see hospital MPPSB, we never road MPP. I be now my friend resetting Ghana. Message way and come my yamuankasa ye mum, President John Mahama. Me ankasa me President Bakope. President John Mahama team ye pa, Mr. President, Mr. Rao, team. Sa 24 hours economy policy na. Wo share me boka chira me se me fa me kokrumuti emfa vote emfa ma na beye omampahini na wo beye mampahini a wo di 24 hours economy policy beba na manya adwuma aye na minua bi so anya adwuma ni bi aye e na wo saso chire mu ma meti ase ese sa 24 hours economy policy no adwuma baako nkofo miensa e na wo mo beye and then you free 24 hours economy policy. Okay. Me sa so aka kire say Mr. President. Sa 24 hours economy policy no. Se won make sure say waya me kan yankopon obo soro ni asase. Se won make sure say waya ansan wo free Ghana konya ne so a me kan yankopon say President John Mahama misi court. Me no betche man so akopem time me free asase we so sa 24 hours economy policy no se wan famba ansa ne wo free Ghana konya ne so a Ghana mra ne kire me se me metimi asi court because your policy ya manage ho me particular manage ho nti wo make sure say sa 24 hours economy policy no wo make sure say why ansa ne wo free power me wo ho kwan se me si court na me si court Ghana mra kire se Ghana mra ma me ho kwan se metimi si court Ghana mra ni or see in Ghana lying or deceiving a citizen to obtain property or cause harm is primarily punishable under the Criminal Offense Act in 1960, Act 29, and the Electronic Communication Act 2008, Act 775. It is a Electronic Communication Act, no, and the Midway Generation sue court because what deceive me. So one make sure says 24 hours economy policy no why ya Ghana mrane kire me se metimi asi court ma court na fande na me fande wa meju 16 bedrooms and $1 million. Tieni meju 16 bedrooms and $1 million for defrauding my mentality. For defrauding and deceiving my mentality. That is it. Mr. Ghana for lawyers say me pe lawyer obetimi a support me. Na President John Mahama NDC so one for 24 hours economy policy na mba metimi asi ne court. Nti Mr. Mo, wo ye lawyer contact me. Na di ma se me ma me pa mo cho.
24-hour economy, the real cost and implementation plan of that policy, the credibility of the job promises, the rising pressure on households, the cost of doing business, the return of doing so, the future of our farmers, the fight against galamsey, the management of our natural resources, including lithium, and the use of statutory funds such as the District Assembly's Common Fund must all receive disciplined, persistent, and evidence-based scrutiny from our side. The people are not interested in slogans anymore. They want to know whether jobs are being created, whether prices are easy, whether the lights are stable, whether the roads are being fixed, whether cocoa farmers are better off, whether illegal mining is being confronted honestly, and whether public money is being protected. These are the issues we must carry into the chamber, into the committee rooms, into our media engagements, and most importantly, back to our constituencies.
Say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be the president of Ghana ha. NDC government in na man a chance. Say Ghana for etimitu abade ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And also said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eba be the next president of Ghana. NDC government no. And one more the chance no. Ediama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That is the fact. Because NDC never power. NDC never power. Niebema Ghana for nye GDA. Ewe NDC government mu. Na womo atrosu ewurudi ache. Enenene say. NDC government policy na mode baye no. Mumfo fele. President John Mahama ni policy na. Ode beto eye Ghana or mine anymore. And one is a more for fairly. So, one to me for fairly policy now. Mobeka to Ghana for now. Possibilities are. Aye, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, ebe the next president, no. Aye, high. Because, a minimum ye wo opposition na ye bano. Ye Ghana for neti ya CSN. Ye the 24 hours economy ni beba. Na sa 24 hours economy ni beboa Ghana for ye bebre. Adwuma baako nimpa miensa na ebeye. Ono no betimi ama Ghana ni bia nya adwuma ni bia eden, enya adwuma ni bia ye. Ana sa policy ni to Ghana for tirim. Ana ye di gina so to aba. E ma NDC government. Ye di to aba de ma NDC government, NDC ba power. Up till now 24 hours economy ni hu baby a policy na akwakoche. Eno na ene aye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia edi gina so edi aye campaign di NDC. 24 hours economy policy na NDC de ba ye no. Eno ana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di gina so di aye campaign. Edi NDC government no. No, you should say 24 hours economy ni policy no. And the year campaign the NDC government. Oh, you're right. Oh, Dika. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Dika. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you're right. So, Bejina, so the year campaign the NDC because won't me, mamma can't say me to Ababa. Now, what to Abama me? Obe mommy, me to Abama, or Obe mommy 24 hours economy. Obe mommy, do mama maye. at the end of the day me to about my we are sa 24 hours economy no won't mean from failure. That means you a failure. That means you a failure. Dollar na mo bete so ni sisi ekonani. Petrol na mo te so no. Petrol no MPP da to wo no ye 14.6 to 15 cedis per liter, and the petrol no at the same place. Inti as NDC government ba power ni. E dey power wa ba apply, e dey no dey aba be kan. E dey na wo dey aba be kan ho a. Ese Ghana for hwe ana wo mu di gina so de to aba de NDC government say wo mu to aso 2028. That be the question me bisa. Because sa wo ka kire me say me to wo ka tell me so be ma 24 hours economy nti me fa me vote ma. E na me di me vote ama e na wa ba power. Over power, me the vote, my sacrifice me vote the amount. But one sacrifice 24 hours economy now, there is no way say 2028. Me kuku me one and me to about farmer because what I'm in trouble, you be as a Judy. NDC government, near party, yes, say ye didn't say, I am passing the 2028 policy in manner, or better for failure. Someone one can kind or better to ask why ye there be. It is a doctor would bawumia. Eba be your mampahini a NDC for party no. NDC government in na more release power in the amano. Simple. That is the fact. That is the truth. My friend me base me suma me ba. Ena maka kire me ba ni se me ba. Me sumo se kota ade wi bre me. O kota insesa be kanu. Fa me ba ne jisika ne koto ade ne bae man sesa kan ya obae na mesa so gi nsesa no maye fair to me ba na ana maye unfair to me ba no.
So when in say GhKoose ewo edeka wo so bitu akire wa adwene ama me. Do you believe say Mahama is the most liar in this country? What is your view on this? I PENYAH Block Media. Accra.